World English Blog Video Quiz. Than or then. In this quiz, you will have 10 seconds to choose the correct answer. You can always pause the video if you need more time. Let's begin. I talked to Walter last summer, but I haven't heard from him since then. We lived in France and then Italy before coming back to England. Life was harder then because neither of us had a job. It was much better than I expected. Prices went up by more than 15%. Just then, there was a knock at the door. She left after college, and from then on, she lived alone. John is older than Gary. My new apartment is less than a kilometer from the ocean. Tell me your score in the comments. You'll find a link in the video description below for the blog post that teaches this grammar in detail. Join my English newsletter for lots more great English study tools. Click the button in the top right-hand corner of your screen and sign up today. It's free. Thanks for watching and have an awesome day.